So when you think of Vietnam, you generally don't think about deserts. But here I am in the desert town of southern Vietnam called Mũi Né. Let's go.
Good morning everyone. So it's around 5:30 now. I was supposed to wake up at around 4:30 and leave, but I was really tired yesterday. I think I'm still gonna go and see what it's like. I've heard the route to the white sand dunes is really beautiful, so let's hope that's good, and we should be there in about 30 minutes. But I've just had a quick stop here to talk to you guys and also show you the beautiful almost sunrise. It's gonna be a sunrise in some time, and this looks so beautiful. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, I've just stopped by again by the roadside because I can see this beautiful sunrise. Even though I've missed the sunrise on top of the sand dunes where I wanted to see it, but at the same time I don't regret it because the road is actually right by the beach and it's such a beautiful sunrise. I'll just show you guys and it looks amazing. This is the road that I'm traveling, and check it out guys. Beautiful. Okay, let's head, and the next stop will be at the white sand dunes. Let's go. So guys, I've just made it to the white sand dunes and this place looks really beautiful. Even though I missed the sunrise, I would say this place is so beautiful that it looks really nice during the morning time. It's quite some walk from the parking. So where you park your bike, you have to walk for about maybe 10 to 15-20 minutes, and then you reach the sand dunes, and right next to the sand dune I can see a lake. Yeah, it's like a lake. It's really bright blue lake, and I'll show you what that looks like. So let's cut to the sequence. It's really beautiful over here, and I've never seen sand dunes right next to a river, and such a clear blue river. It looks so beautiful, and I just wish I was here for the sunrise, but nevertheless it's really beautiful. And I think it gets really hot after like maybe 8 a.m. so I would recommend everyone to come here by at least by 6 o'clock and finish it by 7 o'clock. But really beautiful place. So I'm just gonna walk around and take in this place and also get some shots for you guys. So I just finished walking on top of one of the sand dunes, and it's so tiring because even though it's just like a 5-minute walk, but it feels like I walked for like 30 minutes because walking on sand is really difficult.
So guys, that's it in today's episode. I'll see you in the next one.